Welcome! In front of me I have Redmi Watch 5 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mi Fitness application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the Mi Fitness icon. In the app, you need to tap on device. And here you should see your Redmi Watch 5 Lite on the device page. Now, find the category called Manage Watch Faces. Tap on All to open the online store. And here we have different watch faces we can download on our watch. So find the one you like. And once you find it, you need to tap on it to select it. Maybe this one. And then you can tap on Apply and it will start downloading and installing on your watch. And after it's done, it will be applied. Also, it will appear on the local list of the watch faces, basically on the list of the watch faces installed on your watch. And you can switch between them quickly by tapping on one and tapping on Apply to basically switch between the watch faces you downloaded. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.